This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. We're fixing up some things here today, so bear with me. That's the best way to do it. Sound check right off the bat. I like it. Is deal me in working. Everything is up and running. Dealer 44 didn't work. Okay, futures floor. Oh, I don't know. What was I filming before? I was filming, well, I guess that's good enough. So let me fix my futures floor, and then let me fix Omnius. Let me fix that scrolling text. That's important. So what do I have to do? I have to do two things. I have to go into properties, and I have to select the color and make it white. I have to select, I don't even know what second color means. Why would there be a second color? But there is a second color. There we go. There is no background. Okay. Let's slow it down a bit. Filters, let's bring it down to 300. Good morning, Alex M. Wow. Straight from Portugal. Now in Quebec. No, nice to see you. All joking aside. Why is my ear clicking? Oh, I don't even have my phone open. What are we watching today, Al? You're going to be doing mostly, oh, shit. You can come into Discord and just chat, eh? If you want. I got home, passed out right away. Yeah, I can imagine. I also kind of passed out right away. I took a Zopiclone, but still. I was pretty finished. Yeah, slept my night from 7 a.m. Did some warm-up stretching on for a walk. Wow, look at you. I'm impressed. You in the mood to come into the chat? I mean, you know, me and Omnius talk most. I won't even hook up a camera for you. And if you got anything to say, you know, anything you want to talk about, you can sit quiet for an hour. If you see something, you can just bring it up. Or we're going to talk too much. Yeah, okay. I understand our chatting, but let me know. You get special privileges. You got the same last name as me. You can come into our private room. Okay, I got to fix my disclaimer here. That's a bugger that it's... your subs are going crazy, yeah. One video took off. Go take a look in my shorts. That's the good one with the girl wearing the white t-shirt. Good job. Saying futures floor on it. But it was doing great, and YouTube saw it and flagged it and said something about it's violating financial services. I think it doesn't have enough of a disclaimer in it. You see how I have that disclaimer now running on the top? We've been running into problems lately, and I think it's the disclaimer. I got kind of loose on the disclaimer. So my theory is the disclaimer. They're so stupid. We reviewed your video and you have a problem. So you're limited. Your exposure is limited. If you reviewed my video, you know what you reviewed it for. If there's 10 things on the checklist, can you tell me which? Can't you just tell me which one failed the review? Do you have to just say, go consult our policies? No. Which policy was it? It's very simple. Jesus Christ, they're so stupid. It's so frustrating. 39, 61, 40, 20. I don't see it was removed. I don't know what you mean. Nothing was removed. The video? I hope not. I'll kill him. Futures floor, studio, content, shorts. Next. It's on the second page. Boom, boom, boom. No, there she is. So if I go sideways, it has 2,925 views and 444 likes. Yeah, a couple of dislikes, 97.4. That's funny. Yeah, no, it's still there. But I'd like to add a disclaimer. You see, I'm talking about a system and the performance of the system. I showed the Renko performance, so I guess I have to have past performance doesn't equal, past performance and hypothetical performance doesn't guarantee future outcomes. Consult CFTC Rule 4.1. Hey, I get to put daytraders.com. It's a new firm. Really good firm. 90% off sale. And what other features? 90% off sale. No profit split. Automatic payout process and approval, so it doesn't have to go through some weird human evaluation. If you follow the rules, you follow the rules. No, you did this and you did that, and send us this and send us that. Evals, straight to funding, Project X, and their evaluation fee is not monthly. It's a one-time fee. How's that? A 90% evaluation fee that's not monthly. It's one time. Everyone's talking about take profit trader. It's only $100. Yeah, but that's the eval fee. And if you fail it, or you don't make it within a month, you're billed again. How many people can pass in a month? Not a lot of people. Me trading consistently, it takes me 25, 30 days. So that's not such a great feature. Take profit trader, having no activation fee. No activation fee. Pay the big money up front. How many more evals are burned compared to funded? Everyone trades more carefully on their funded. They're laughing. People are buying it hook, line, and sinker. Seriously. Whee! Let me try and fix this. What I'd really like to get is a white background on that. I don't know how I can do that just yet. I'm going to have to be creative. Let me lock the scroll. And actually unlock it. Drop it by 5. Lock it. And I think the only other thing I got to do is text GDI. 4, 1, color, black, okay, background, color, white. I like this blue. Okay, okay. I know you guys don't know what I'm doing. You don't know what I'm doing, why I'm doing, but you'll see it soon. Soon enough. Aha, now you see what I'm doing. Let me just see that, you know what, I like a little bit of a border. $44 seems a little excessive. What time is it? 9:06. That's no good. Edit. Okay, I'm not going to play with it today. Let's just get the basics done, and that's it. Lock him, and we're done. Scroll text. Plus. Text. I'm almost done, guys. Filters. Add. Color. Okay. Looks like hue. The one I picked was the best one. How about saturation? Gray's not bad also. A little flat, but brightness. Yeah, looks like everything is fine. Close. Make it a little transparent. That's it. Okay, we're good. We're going to take a look at the market soon. Omnis is going to join in, and we'll post a recap. Sorry, I call it a recap. He calls it a, what does he call it? Market analysis. Pre-market. Market analysis. You know, there's one of the things I want to mark. I want to mark in the 6 o'clock to 9:30 pre-market range. How would I do that? Well, I'd love to have a clock on these lines here. 6 to 9:30. I mean, I could do it manually. That's the high at 6 o'clock. And where's the low? Well, we're coming down. So last, let's say, hour. I just got to go to the daily. 9:07, 8:07. We're pretty much at the low. I think a lot of people look at the pre-market 6 to 9:30. I remember when we were trading stocks. That's basically what people were looking at to see if the pre-market was going to be taken out, almost like an initial balance or a 15-minute opening range. Okay, let's get on Tom Lisa's channel. Give him some boogly wooglies here, those little reaction things. He's a big fan of reactions. Close, what else? Hit him a like. And away to go. Really? Wow. Okay. Cameras. Last thing I said I was going to have to fix. Cameras got all screwed up yesterday because we went into the public chat and this scene isn't set up. Your screen layout, sorry, isn't set up for public chat. I'm alone today. My son is not working. I could scream. I can get loud. My camera looks good. Almnisa's camera looks good too. What was I complaining about? If he's in the shot. There we go. Let's not block that. And escape. 9:10. I have time to. Actually, you know what? I want to see what gold's doing. 36.03. Okay, came down a little bit. Down $31. That's quite a bit. And Bitcoin is down 1,375. Bitcoin is below the 50-period moving average, bouncing. I hate yawning. Bouncing off the 100-period moving average, and we still got the 50 over the 100, the 100 over the 200, so that's still bullish. I use the 50, the 100, and 200 is because that's what most people use, and you know what? I figured out that you don't want to get creative in this business and start using the 33 and the 121 and say, wow, look how it fits to the 121, because you want to follow what other people are following, because that's where the reactions are going to come in. You have to keep it simple, and you have to look for the self-fulfilling prophecies. That's why I use VWAP. That's why I have VWAP on my chart. That's why I have the previous day's close, previous day's high, previous day's low on my chart. Not because there's some magical levels, but because they're psychological levels for all the traders that are in the market. Many of them decide to have reactions based on those levels, so you got to expect something to happen. It doesn't happen all the time. Nothing happens all the time in the markets, but it's enough to let you know that there's the potential for something to happen. And oftentimes that's enough to keep you out of a trade. That'll be the reason to keep you out of the trade. That's the thing that turns your trade from an A+ trade maybe into a B- trade. Because you have an extra obstacle to overcome. If you're going along right under the previous day's high, well, you have an obstacle to overcome. Because you know there are going to be a certain amount of people who see the previous day's high and use it as a reason to sell. So you can say, well, Mike, you always have sellers at every level. Yeah, you have sellers at every level, and then you have the extra sellers at the previous day's high when you tap it for the first time from below. A whole extra group waiting on the sidelines. You still have the standard regular random number of sellers like we do at every price. Sometimes more, sometimes less. That's what makes a market. That's what keeps price changing. But at significant levels, it's a whole different story. The numbers change. They lean. They become imbalanced. Four-hour chart, we did, we barely closed over a recent swing high. I'd like to see a strong close over 23,550. I think if we can get to 23,550 and get like a close, next stop 23,700. That's where the market should be going. was telling Omnius that I'm a perma-bull. Problem is, everything is looking bearish right now. Hey, why is my phone close? Not entirely bearish. I mean, actually not. We're really not in a good place. Could make trading difficult. Trading was very difficult yesterday. Whoever didn't trade yesterday's open got very lucky. I got slapped 2 PDLLs on my MFFU account and on my daytrader.com account. I wasn't really too happy about that. But I'm happy that I respected my PDLL and didn't make the damage too bad. We really traded sideways. Doesn't show up so much on the 30-minute chart. But if I go back to the 1-minute chart and I go back to the open, take a look at the open. How crazy is that? That's the first 15 minutes. This is the first half an hour. It's like all sideways, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, but all sideways, all barcoding. And it's going to happen sometimes, but unfortunately for me, I'm a retrace and continuation trader or a pullback and continuation trader. So by the time it moves up just enough to change my bias, and then I get a pullback, looking for a small continuation. I don't need a big continuation. Looking for a small continuation. I got hurt. That's why my winning streak with MFFU came to a close. But I didn't then switch to Bulenox around 10 o'clock, and I caught that move up. So my Bulenox winning streak is continuing. Trading pretty much one simple setup. And what I like about it is I know statistically it has a 73% accuracy over, well, it's probably close to 3,000 live trades now. If not more. We're not talking back testing stuff here. So what I like to do is I actually like to see a trade trigger and try to get a better price. And not only still have my 73% accuracy going for me, but now I have a much better risk to return profile. And those are my favorite trades. If I can get a trade where I'm risking 8 points to make 12 points, and I have a 73% accuracy on that, are you kidding me? I'll take that trade every day, all day long. Oh, you know what? Let me get way over here. What's going on? Oh, okay. Really? I can't have that. Gotta be quick. Gotta be benimble and gotta be quick. Good morning, Omnius. I was just logging into your, well, I don't know, I was not just, I mean, I was there a little bit, onto your stream. I don't even know, did I get rid of the music on my stream? I don't remember, can't tell you. I know I did something different today. I think I'm just playing my my little intro. Well, I mean, you have the image screen, but then I'm playing my little intro. Where's fake Omnius? Let's get him going. Fake Omnius needs to move over. Occupy your spot. Yeah, I was just going to say, don't give away all your secrets. I was just going to say, don't give all the secrets.
What secrets you giving away?
Over here. Only.
Huh?
Okay, what am I hearing double for?
Look at that. It's getting easier and easier, isn't it? It just almost sets up itself. Minus the 100 things I have to do.
Yeah, I was thinking about that today already. Again, how many buttons need pressing?
Buttons
oh, yeah, that's what I was thinking.
That
I should wake up earlier.
Nah, I need my sleep. I need my beauty rest, man.
No, wake up earlier. Just get down earlier. You know, I think when I say I'm starting at 9:15, starting to click the buttons at 9:10 isn't enough. There's just too many screens and too many things to check, and every single, like, you know, yesterday I had to change all the cameras and the positions, so now I got to try and fix them again.
My camera up too high?
You seem very quiet, though. Let me check on my stream. You seem very quiet, though. Let me check on my stream. Your turn.
Good that.
Talk like you're talking, like, for real.
That's how I talk.
No,
Like you're talking like
pretty.
That's how I talk.
Oh, you're good on the stream. Maybe my thing is low. Maybe I just lowered the volume. Because you know what? My alarms ring at night, like when gold starts, and it comes through my headphones. And if I'm not downstairs at 9 p.m., and if I'm not downstairs, it'll drive my cat. The whole night, he'll hear out of the headphones.
Too many alarms and stuff. Much. All right. We'll go with the pre-market analysis, go over what kind of news we got. Do have updates on my copyright strike and how that affects the channel. And other news to get into. Be a fun day, Friday Eve. Have fun.
It's Friday Eve?
Yeah.
Wow, I didn't even go shopping yet for presents.
What day do you think it is?
I don't know. Thursday, which is Friday Eve, but I didn't go shopping. Yeah. It's not, you don't have to buy presents. Okay, let me close down Omnius. Perfect.
Thursday is Friday Eve, man. You gotta think of it in a positive way.
Yeah, I like it. Friday Eve. Problem is, if my wife hears Friday Eve, she's gonna say, "What'd you get me?"
My wife would get mad you caught Thursday.
You didn't get me anything. It's Friday Eve. What are you waiting for?
Like, what do you mean Thursday? Like, what's that? Where'd that come from? Right.
Friday Eve.
You ready to jump into the morning analysis?
Sure. Just trying to fix something there. That's perfect. And 1, 2, 3.
Stop and start over.
Lock you. You're locked. You're locked and loaded. Click here. Escape. Scroll. Text. Positive. Boom. Filters. Good morning, Ruanev. I got all excited. I thought I just saw, I swear to God, my brain saw Rihanna. I said, hey, Rihanna's in the channel. Didn't get so lucky.
What you got?
Me? Hold on. One more thing to do. I gotta find Omnius. Number 5. Pause him because he's going bananas. And lock that. Sorry, Mike. Yeah, maybe next time. Change your name. You'll know how to get me all excited. And close this. Okay, what I got? What I got?
Hold on. You're killing my morning video. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right.
Let me take a quick look at the 30-minute chart. I just want to see what's been going on with the Asian session. We have taken out the Asian session. We did take out previous day's high, but we're currently trading in a difficult spot. We didn't take out the Asia session lows. This is on the 30-minute chart. We are trading above the previous day's close, but below VWAP. So for me, that's a tough trade. That's a tough place to trade because we could be flip-flopping above and below VWAP, and we could be doing the same thing on the previous day's close, but we are about 20 points above it, so I got to assume 5 minutes to open. Once we open, a lot of people are going to be thinking gap fill. So that's probably the first place we're going to run to. Omnius.
Got to the 4-hour. Still pushing up. Had a nice strong day yesterday. Came down. Good hourly. Move quickly. Came down. I got some drawings here. Kind of getting away, but we'll talk about it later. Came down, hit support. Did break this trend line. Pushed up, came down, hit support, pushed right back up. So that's strong bullish at the time. Could mark a support or resistance, 23,526. $30-minute. Is that the hourly gap that you was talking about? We do have an hourly gap.
Yeah, no, that wasn't me.
There's already a support there.
There is.
What about the daily?
23,470.
Kind of chopping sideways. Haven't really had a lot of push in the market lately. We could see a drop down. See it come down a bit. Test this minor support. Push back up. We know it's been dropping in the morning and then buying right back up. Keep an eye on that.
I don't see how we don't test the previous day's close. London lows. London lows are there also at 455, 450.
Yeah, we're not far from that now.
That's why I think it's an obvious target.
Even for a bullish case, we want to see it push up, break these highs here. We got what, 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. Build structure and push up from there to the 23,600. Bearish case, come down, break the minor support, build structure, go down to the 23,325. And that's what I'm looking for today. We do have news today. I think lots of news today. I don't know that anything's major, but we had 8:30 jobless claims. 8:45 we have PMI final. That might move the market a bit. So
9:45, you mean?
What's that?
It's 9:45, right?
I thought that's what I said.
Yeah.
Yeah, 9:45. And then 10 o'clock we have PMI. So basically we're gonna have the open. We're gonna have PMI at 9:45 and 10 o'clock. So a lot going on there. And then 12 o'clock we have oil inventories. Might not affect us that much. I'd just be aware of it. I think that's all the news for the day.
Okay, sounds good. Start clicking the buy and sell buttons in 1 minute from now. Thanks for joining in on the pre-market analysis, and come take a look and join our live stream 9:15 every morning.
Peace out. Call it a day.
Well, once I said come and join our live stream, I pressed stop recording, so I kept it clean there, and yeah, I like it. That's a good thing. The only thing is I'm going to post it one day late, because you're going to go now and post it. You know how hard it is going to be to post it, put a title, put a description, make a thumbnail. You come back, it's going to be 9:45.
It's not that hard. Come on.
Markets are opening in now.
Watch this. I talk you through it. Upload video.
No. Markets are opening. MFFU. I trade MFFU on the open. I think we're closing the gap. I have a bias. That's dangerous.
Oh, I got 10 different videos. Blame it on that one guy. We're going to assume it's this one.
45. There's the gap fill. What about the London, taking out the London lows at 50? It's not much lower. It would make sense. How do I get in on that? But for a 3 lot at 64, 70 is good. That gives me a 7-point risk for a 14-point trade, but it's only 50% probability. So
there you go. Uploaded.
Nice.
Bam, bam. Thank you, ma'am. On to the next.
Nice. Yeah, and I like to trade the open, so.
Didn't even miss the opening candle.
If we do that, if we do it like at 9:15, it's not bad. But if we do it at 9:22, 9:25, it's a little tougher for me. Let's see if we're going to get above VWAP. We are trading a little bit above VWAP, but is it going to get rejected?
We got to get it down to be more seamless. We'll figure it out. Work in progress.
Yeah. You're a smart guy. You've told me. You've mentioned. You've rubbed in my face. 2-minute ORB. Alert, alarm. I think we're going to break it to the upside. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. We got a bit of volatility, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's only 40 points, I guess.
Not breaking it to the upside. Oh boy, yesterday was a very wicked day, and I have a big position here. I have 10 lot. Oof, 87, 97. It's like not taking much to move 10 points. So we got 14, but only 14-point range. Come on. That's the weird thing. Range hasn't really expanded here on the 1-minute candles, but we hit these air pockets.
I don't really want to trade the opening candles because we're back into that thing lately where it pushes one direction and shoots the other and then shoots back. And it's like, give a few minutes, and then after that, the day gets a lot easier.
There's a video on how to determine if this, if the power spike or the spike in the morning is a good one that you should jump in on, or if it's going to fake you out. I hope I saved it. I wanted to watch it. I hope it's in my history or something. Sometimes when you watch a video for only 10 seconds and you say, okay, I'll watch it later, it doesn't get recorded in your history because you didn't watch it long enough. Maybe I should click the like button. Once I click the like button, maybe it'll be easier to find. Yeah, I really wanted to see that. I'm curious to see what the guy's
you can always click the save button and save to a watch later list.
Watch later. Yeah, I do that sometimes. I didn't think of it for this one.
Then I still don't go back and watch it, but at least it was a thought, right? At least I thought about it.
Yeah. No, this one I want to see. I love trading the spike candles on the open. And I find I'm good at it also. So if some guy has an insight that I haven't thought of, I'm curious. I want to see it.
Well, a lot of people just trade the open and breakout, put your buy and your sell slightly above the candle, and
Yeah, there's the 1 minute, the 2 minute, the 5 minute.
No,
But
not even
no,
that.
that-
Just the current price, and then you just put your buy and your sell, say 5 points above and below.
Yeah. Nah, that's not for me. I like to try and jump in on the momentum.
That is the momentum.
A little late.
I got a great entry method for that. I think I was telling you before I used to do it, but I've tried so many times to automate it and make a bot, but I can't
Okay.
do it because it's kind of a glitch in the
Mm.
market.
A
I can't
glitch.
find out how price moves to automate the glitch.
Yeah. Sounds like a challenge. I almost want to do it. Did you try it with GPT or anything like that?
No, because I don't know how to tell it. It has to do with order placement. I don't know how to tell it how the order placement works.
Okay. Well, maybe explain it to me. Maybe I can see it in a different light. Who knows?
Yeah, I mentioned before, showing you the strategy, seeing what you
We can
thought
always
about it.
try. Yeah. I mean, not now or anything, but
We got to do like a strategy backtest stream or something together and go over some strategies.
definitely, because I got one for you that's killer. And I haven't been taking advantage of it. And it's been killing it in the market since I've been watching. It's been over a month now, I think.
I
And
think if you saw
killing it.
some of the strategies that I'm doing more closely, because when we're trading, you don't get to look at it.
Mm.
I think if you saw them more closely, you'd like them.
Yeah, I mean, I have your stream up, but
Like even the 2 minute strategy, I'd show you that now, but you're looking for trades. But just marking out like the different movement in the market, and you can just see it, and easy buys, easy sells.
mm. It's tough to trade the open, and it's also it's also tough to code something for the open because price is moving fast, and a lot of times the way the at least Ninja Trader System Builder, how it allows you to enter the trades, if you don't use market orders, you're going to be getting errors because the market's just going to blow through your stop or your limit, and unfortunately, if it does that, Ninja Trader decides not to fill you. They decide to give you an error and then close down your bot. So
That's crazy, isn't it?
yeah, it is.
Like they won't just get you out of the market. They'll just take all of your orders away that's supposed to get you out of the market. Like, oh, there's an error, so we're gonna side on the side of safety and take away all your stops.
I don't
And you
get the
take
logic.
profit.
I don't get the logic. We don't have to understand everything. Okay, so what did we bounce off? Does anybody want to know what we bounced off? We bounced off the the obvious was the previous day's high, and the second obvious was the London session highs. We poked through it, and like yesterday, we wicked it and came right back down. All you breakout traders, you're all scrambling now and wondering what happened. How come we lost money? Guys, breakout trading is very difficult to do. If you want to be a breakout trader, your best bet, in my opinion, don't copy my trades, not financial advice. I'm not a licensed financial advisor, but just from my experience and observation, you want to see price break through, hold, and then retest. That's your trade. Get some confirmation that we've broken over a level. Don't just assume we're going to break over a level and then go parabolic. Do you know how often that happens? How rare that is? You know, look back, test your stuff.
Well, I thought it happened every time.
Yeah, no. Test your poop. You'll see how much your poop smells. It's not that hard a game if we just follow some common sense guidelines. That's all. And do some work. Don't be lazy. Don't try to be spoon-fed. I'm not talking to you, Omnius. You work.
What?
You work hard.
Yes, you are.
You work hard. Did you finish my video, Mr. Hard Worker?
Which video?
I don't know. Anyone I started and didn't finish.
I need somebody to do mine. I'm so bad about it.
I have so many in the pipeline. I have one that's like 97% finished, and I already forgot where it is, and it was a good one too. I liked it.
I just posted a video. What more do you want? Come on, man.
You did. Come on, man.
Get the old Joe Biden in there. Come on, man.
Come on, man. Yo, what's that 2-bit pony? You 2-bit pony sucker?
That what he says?
I don't know. That was not a pony sucker, but you're a pony something. Pony dog shit. I don't know. When he says that, it's not bad language. Hey. Come on. Let's get a bounce. Are you guys watching Renko's? No! Wrong way, you mother of God.
Hey. What about the language?
What? You mother of God. Mother of God is good. What's that? Isn't that Sister Maria or something? I don't know.
Now you sound like my dad. It's not bad language. It's the same thing. Yeah, don't bother me anyways.
Mother of God. Can I do this?
See, that's better. That's different.
God.
Hey, the ES is pushing.
ES is pushing. You can't say that when you talk about Mother of God.
Why?
ES is pushing? It's pushing? I don't know how much I lost yesterday in Lamard. Okay, here's my stand. 5 lot. 83. I already missed it. You bugger.
Long or short?
Short. I was going to make a stand and try to make back most of my MFFU losses because I'm ahead 120 already. So I was going to risk that 120 on this trade and try to make 200. And that would have been yesterday's loss, but I missed the trade.
I wanted to go long, but I remember how this played out yesterday. Kind of exactly the same.
Yeah, well,
take a look at the back up. So we'll see if it flies back up again.
Take a look at the Renko charts if you guys want to see why I love them. Look at this shelf right here. This is since 4 in the morning. Look how many times we bounced off it. You're not going to see that too clearly on other charts, but you see it really clearly on the Renko. If I knew how to draw a vertical line, a horizontal line, let's see, horizontal line. There you go. Right there at that level where the blue line is. Now, I'm not saying that we're going to hold that level, but we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times.
Looks like you're drawing the market open.
Pretty much. It's also
23, 459. What you got?
It's 464, that level right there.
Yeah, about the same.
But look at it. Look how solid it is. And that's going back to 4 in the morning. And that's what you get from Renko when it's pure price. There's no time involved. So you can see the exact price.
Looking at it on the...
Where buyers are stepping in and pushing the market back up.
Check out the 6,000 volume chart. How it looks.
By the time I get that set up, the day's over.
No, I think... No, you had my stream up. Just look at it.
Oh. Which one is it? The big one or the small one?
The big one. Comes down, touches it again, spikes up a couple times, comes back to it a few more times, and just come back to it again.
Yeah.
Looks like we're pushing back up again.
Well, you're going to see it on every chart. 1 minute, 30 minute, 5 minute, because it happened. But it's look how clear it is on the Renko. Clearer on the Renko than on the 6,000. Look at the Renko. It's like a solid line. It's a line in the sand.
An entry.
$9.44. There's news, I think, at 9:45, and then we're going to look for the 9:45 15-minute opening range retest. We bounced off it again. Now, I'm not saying I take trades like that, but
not saying you don't.
Not saying I don't. Guys, while we're waiting for news to drop, take a second, hit the like button. It's really appreciated. Thanking you in advance for your cooperation. We appreciate it. Hey, what happened to streaming on Wednesdays? On on Omnius Trades and Thursdays on Futures Floor. You forgot. Yeah, well, you know what? I had a sheet of notes here with all the things, and I lost it. So let me write it down again. Next week.
Next week. I think it was a bad week anyways, because it's kind of a short week and other stuff going on.
It was a terrible week for me. Terrible week. Omnius was sick on Monday.
We got this news coming in. I'm going to trade, too. It's terrible.
I owe his kid $60 or something like that. I owe his son. I always find that rude when you say his kid. Minimum, say his boy. I gotta create it. Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah, yesterday I chased a little bit. Like I said, I realized my mistake. I hit my PDLL on 2 accounts. So, you know, the thing is, I got sucked into price's movement. I mean, the price was moving, and I was reading that movement as opportunity and trying to jump in it. And with the way the market was going up and then down and then up and then down, they were pretty much making a fool out of me. I was buying at the top and then selling at the bottom. Oh, it's going down. That's going to continue. No. You got to wait for your setups. You got to wait till you have well-defined risk, not just chase. That was a mistake that I did yesterday. And, you know, we make mistakes every day. No matter how much experience we have, we still make mistakes. Oh, lost my earpiece. I can't hear. If Omnius is talking, guys, let me know. I can't hear him.
Yeah, looking at this trade. Watching it.
Is it 9:45 yet?
Yep.
We're going to try something today.
What are we trying?
You'll pick it up. I have a long trade. Not sure I want to make a stand on it, but it's at 06 and I'm getting in at a much better price, 99. So I'll take it. Is my mic on? Yeah, my mic is on. Even if I lose, and it stopped out. That was fast. I'm not putting that in the highlight reel.
No.
You know what? It's not a big deal to put it in the highlight reel, but people don't like watching losers. They're not interested. People are only interested in...
Nope. Everybody says, why don't you post them? And then you post them. Nobody watches them.
Yeah, nobody watches. It's a losing trade.
I don't want to see it. If you don't like it, just watch the damn video.
Yeah.
Literally ticked my stop loss. How is that even possible? I'm taking it.
Okay.
I went from about 800 down to about 400 up. We'll take it.
Did you say 800 down?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's not making the highlight reel either.
I told you it's a diamond hand strategy. Clench your butt cheeks and get over it. You can either handle it or you can't. And then it bought in a second one. So I'm like, damn, you're going to buy another one? Everything in my mind is telling me to go long. The bot's going short. I'm like, all right, you just got to trust the system. If it loses, it loses. Who am I to tell it what to do?
I agree. Trust the system. Quack.
I could have got out at a $300 or $400 loss, but look what happened. It came back, hit the, I don't know if it'd take profit or not because I got out.
Yeah,
I'll have to check it later. I don't want to turn it off, turn it back on. Or it already did go off. Okay. Because I hit the close button.
For me right now, the 30-minute or the 5-minute, a higher time frame chart would be a great reference because we got so many points now of interest. I got the 6:30 to 9 o'clock range that I'm tracking.
Turn it back on. Hopefully they don't throw me back in a trade. Oh yeah, it did hit. I wouldn't. What did you call it? I wasn't being a dick for a tick.
Yeah.
Not with two separate entries. Basically trading a mini.
No, that's not me. I don't get flack for that. That's a Trades by Matt. I just repeat it. I'm parroting it. But I do say it, but I didn't.
And that account's almost passed. All I got to do is just not screw it up for a couple of days.
Yeah. I had an account yesterday. 30 cents from passing. I took a 2 lot, I lost. I took a 2 lot, I lost. I took a 5 lot, I lost. I took a 10 lot, I lost. I was now down like $350. I said, seriously, with 30 cents left?
Literally ticked my stop loss. I want to show it, but I can't. I don't have it on that because it's a different. It's Ninja Trader, but it's a different chart setup.
Yeah.
Maybe if I switch over to this one.
You didn't want to talk about what happened to me.
No. I'm trying to talk to you. I'm trying to talk about the trade also, because then people say, "Well, you didn't talk about the trade."
Yeah. I'm bugging you.
See if I can put it over here. Will it show up? I think so. There it is. Yeah.
We're gonna get another short trade.
Got to zoom in because of the way they
bounce off VWAP. Seriously.
So what's my high? My high was 513. Stop was 514. Not even 514. It's like literally like right there. I was like, all right, that one's done. Call it. Sometimes they tick you and stop you out, and sometimes they miss you by a tick.
Well, while I'm waiting for the 10 o'clock news.
Entered here. Also entered, hard to see right there. For a total of a 10 lot, and all got out right there.
Dealer draws a 60. I draw a 92. It's going to be a good day. I'm a winner. I'm only playing once.
You are a winner. Don't let anybody tell you anything different, okay?
Thanks, Daddy.
You're a winner. You're a winner in my book.
78, 80, 85. I want to short at 85. 83, no good. Well, let's get up to 85.
Leave the bot on. Leave it off. Might take one more trade today. I don't know. It's just sideways. You trading this?
Well, I'm short at 85, and hopefully we go down to 71. There we are, 72, 71. Come on, fill me. 71.
Fill yourself.
There we go. Filled me. That was a 15-point trade in like 3 seconds.
Ooh, that's what I like right there.
Yeah. Didn't get the cash register to ring because it was a manual take profit line that I put in, but
if I could just show up and get 3 of those, I'd just go home.
Nah, well, my size is small, so I need more than I need 10 of them.
10?
10. Maybe not 10, but
you got to trade with enough size that you matter, but not too much that you fear the loss.
Well, that's the thing. I mean,
you got to find that sweet spot.
I posted a couple of TikToks talking about more trades doesn't equal more money. Just trade larger on your A+ setups. And I want to get there. And that's the thing when I say I'm trying to dedicate an account and trade larger. But I screw up when I do it, and I just can't. It's like the emotion gets in the way, and I got to find a way where, oops, the emotion doesn't get in the way. Why do you keep falling out? I want to find the sweet spot where my body and my psychology accepts it. And I'm finding it difficult.
Are you still trading the point system? You got it back on the dollars?
I have no idea. I know I did make a switch back to the dollars on one chart. I didn't like the points.
I feel like the points was a game changer. You see you're down $300, you start relating that to things.
Yeah.
Oh, that's my car payment. Oh, that's this, that's that, you know.
Yeah, you're right.
You see you're down 15 points and you're like, okay. And
that was weird. Oh, I'm on the wrong chart.
What do you
want?
want?
A schmuck.
You go outside? This dog's bugging me. Give me a second.
Okay, guys, it's me and Fake Omnius. Let's get him moving. Let him talk a little bit. He's a chatty character. If you're looking at my Renko charts on the left side, and I'm so glad to be able to give them to you again, look how 23,464, look how that's holding. I mean, seriously. And again, I'll remind you, that's since 4 in the morning, and now we're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the 8th time that we come down to that level and buyers jump back in. And you won't see it as clear as that on any other chart. Not on the 1 minute, not on a volume chart, a tick chart. But you will see it on a Renko chart like that. I mean, it's right to the penny. As I said, this is going back to 4 in the morning. And for people who are good at trading ranges, see, I can't buy down there because that's a down movement, and I got to start thinking about selling. But I'm not going to sell because it would be pretty stupid of me, so that's my reason not to take the trade. But for people who are good at trading ranges, Renko chart is phenomenal for that. You can put that up and you can see stuff that nobody else sees. It's like having x-ray vision. And don't forget, Renko charts are free. They're free in TradingView if you have Project X or Top Step X, and they're free in NinjaTrader. Just open up your data series, set them up. How am I doing on MFFU? With all commissions, I'm probably not up a lot. Oh, only $75. That really stinks. I haven't done much trading today.
I was just going sideways. What's the trade? Y'all really trying to fight this? And we got news. What, 2 minutes? 10 o'clock, wasn't it? Yeah, we got news in 2 minutes.
Yeah.
I think this one might be a little bit more than the last one. I would assume that's why we're chopping sideways, was we had one news at 9:45 and the other at 10. I was rather scared being in that trade during that news, but worked out. Don't ever like being in a trade during news.
No. 9:59, 1 minute.
Have to make another video about how my stop loss didn't work and how I got screwed over and destroyed another account. I was on a, can't even tell.
What was that?
I was on the day trader site yesterday, and I still don't know what link I'm supposed to use for them people. Like, I found another link. Which one do you use?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Day trader, the platform.
Okay. I use the something equals 1 at the end. Like I told you, I don't know if it works. I got to find somebody to click on it and see if the number changes.
I might have to message them. They give you a code, but I don't know like what the code is. They give you a link. Huh?
10 o'clock.
Yeah, there's the news.
Mm-hmm.
They give you a link, but then I found another link. Like you click on your profile. Like, well, I sure wish somebody would just tell us which one they want us to use. That'd be nice.
Mm.
I don't know if you've seen the other link, so I was gonna see what you thought about it. Joker, good morning.
Yeah, post it later. Hey, Joker, sorry, didn't see you. Good morning. Post it later. We're right at that 64 level again, guys. Take a look on the Renko charts. Keep an eye on it. There's got to be some stops under there, but it's holding like a fortress right now. I would love to take the trade. I would so love to take the trade. You want to see me break it? You want to see it break? You want to see it get below? All I got to do is take a long. That's all I got to do. And the bigger the position, the harder and faster it's going to fall through it.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 touches right there.
It's crazy. It's crazy. Hold on. What? Yeah, Tori Trades is telling me something. Yeah, she's saying this is an excellent long right here. I'm joking.
There's no trend line.
No, you make one straight, right across. Okay, I can't resist. I can't resist.
That was funny. You just forgot to laugh.
I can't resist.
All right. Her uncle
I'm taking
said
a two-lot. Her uncle said, I took a two-lot. Oh, I tried to take a two-lot. Bye. Now I'm in a two-lot. Now we break it. Guys, go short.
I can make the short case.
Well, we got London lows. Shit, everything is there. London lows, 15-minute opening range. Yeah, I told you, if I get in a position, it'll break. I have that power. I've proved it a few times already. It will probably come back, though. It's just going to go far enough to give me enough pain to take me out. Unless I add to it. If I add to the position, no, then it just disappears.
Delta dumped.
There we go. I'm going to lose $30 on it.
Back up.
That was a little bit of risk management or loss management. I let it come back a little bit, but I didn't get out of my entire position. Whatever. Let's go. Go back up.
Is that what we need? A loss management team?
A loss management? No, there's nothing wrong with it. I don't think there's anything wrong with a loss management strategy. Come on, you're just like ticking my my stop out over there. Don't make me have a large loss on this trade. Fuck, you were like,
whoa,
and it's just gonna collapse now. $90. I have to throw away $100 on that trade. I told you I can get it to break. It's amazing the power I have. I'm like Market Merlin. And now I'm down $76 on the day. That's no good.
That's why I'm always leery about spots that have been tested so many times.
Yeah, but I can always find, it doesn't matter how many times. If I take the trade, I'll find the time that it breaks. That's the thing that just makes no sense. That's why I say the markets are tuned into your psychology. How is it that happens all the time? It's not like I took it 3 times and I made money on it. The one that finally got me to say, okay, you know what? Screw it, I'll take it.
We did have
simulation.
several indications that that was the time it was going to break.
Yeah, and the biggest one was that I took the trade.
Yeah, that was the biggest one. I wanted to take it. I'm like, no, it's just too much there. It's tested too many times. The 5-minute moving average is flat. The way the delta dropped, I even said that before it even actually dropped. I know the delta just dropped. The RSI called it. The chart called it.
Yeah, but did they call it on all the other touches also? Can I ask you that?
That's the $1 million question, isn't it? It's always easier in hindsight. Order submitted. Was that you or me?
It wasn't me.
Had to have been you.
It was me. I was just making you nervous.
That's not cool. Look, I already came like 2 ticks away from disaster once today.
Wow.
Let me be happy that it came back. Not only it came back, but it doubled the position and then came back.
I'm squeezing butt cheeks.
I hear something over there. I have to get the risk management team.
No, that's fine. Wasn't too big. It wasn't an overly sized position. Just the only thing is I'm copy trading among all my funded accounts. And now that makes me nervous, you know. I'm not a big fan of doing that. I paid the price and I said to myself, never again. But now I have too many accounts, so I kind of have to. I have 2 funded accounts with wealth charts. I have 4, I think, with 1, 2, 3, 4 with Take Profit Trader with Apex. I got the MFFU one. There's too many of them now, so I got to start copy trading. Otherwise, you know, what am I going to do? Work on one for $3,000 for 1 month, and then the other, and then the other, and then the other. It's going to take a year to. But what I should do is just copy trade 2, meaning 1 leader, 1 follower, and that's it.
I put them in groups.
Yeah, like that. You know, don't do a sweeping.
No, I would never trade all my accounts at one time. Could you imagine losing what took you months and months to build up?
Yeah.
In a single day. I don't want to live like that. Too much anxiety.
It is tough because the more I'm doing this, you know, I started already a couple of days. I'm having a hard time picking winners. I think my psychology has changed a little bit. Let's break lower. Well, not higher. Don't give me a 1 bar.
Post your link. The hell is that? Post what link?
I'm engaging. Who cares?
Oh. I got you. What the heck?
Well, you were talking about a link for something. I don't remember what it was.
Oh, the day trader?
Oh, there you go. Oosh. Come on, I need 1 push lower. 1 push lower. Don't you guys want to sell it? Don't you want to sell the market lower for me? See, I sing. There we go. There we go. I'm still in positions. Trade cop here didn't work. I guess it's going to fuck me. Short, flatten everything. Off, 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 off. Okay, there we go. Traded a little carefully. A little carefully. Is that a word? Talking to myself. He went for a walk again.
There was something knocking, but I guess it was my dog.
I hear your dog knocks when he wants to come in the house. We just took out the Asia session lows.
I think that one's in the house.
The Asia session highs. I wonder if that applies. And now we're going to take out the Asia session highs again. Wow, you talked about yesterday these cameras that they're putting now on every street corner with the solar panel.
Yeah. They're everywhere.
I'm driving yesterday, was going down to my brother's place. And, well, not far from my house, going down one of the main boulevards. I go, what the hell is that? There's a pole with a solar panel.
That's it.
And this tiny little box. I go, huh? I didn't look at it closely. I said, okay, maybe it's temporary for construction. No. I got to the next one at the end of the next block. I'd never seen these before. These are new. And it's
popped up everywhere.
It's permanent. It's cemented. It's built into the sidewalk now, like a street light, is.
Mm-hmm.
I said, "Oh my God!"
Was it black?
I said,
like everything's black.
Yeah. I said, "This is what
that's it.
This is what Omnis is talking about." I was going to take a picture of it.
Well, yeah, I didn't really let me get into it yesterday, but the video I was watching, it's just absolutely insane, what those things do. And it's a private company, so they basically law enforcement and everybody pays the company. But it's just absolutely insane. Pretty much all those movies we watched years ago, like Minority Report, it's all true now. Yeah, go on YouTube and look up a video on it. I wouldn't even do you justice telling you about it. It's just crazy. And everybody says, well, if you're doing nothing wrong, what's it matter? But in the video, the guy showed a bunch of instances. One, it read a tag wrong. And the cops pulled this family over. And at gunpoint, thinking it was a stolen car or something.
Yeah. Had
all the kids out on the steaming hot pavement, face down on the pavement at gunpoint. It's just a family trying to go to the store.
Yeah, well, things are going to go wrong sometimes, That's the problem.
Nobody should ever have to go through that.
Yeah, it's inexcusable. I do agree. It's expected, but it's inexcusable. Or
another one. Guy was driving, and I guess he veered to one side and then veered to the other side, and the camera picked up that he was drunk. Flagged the police that possible drunk driver. Order submitted.
Me. Band bounce, Renko.
Is that coming through your mic?
No, my laptop quietly. But I'm getting in earlier. I'm going counter trend. I'm kind of going long here, and I maybe shouldn't have done it. And it was one tick away. That's kind of stupid. Now I'm going to take a fucking loss. Callis, I don't understand how that happens.
Not looking for longs. I'm looking for shorts.
Yeah, I should be looking for shorts.
Especially we had this gap here. Push up, big wick down. There's a lot of sideways movement. I don't know. Like to see shorts.
Mm.
Got in a bit late. Had to reset my stuff. Might have cost me the trade. Take it. Take my 7 points and run.
Good job. I did a stupid. I should know better. I did a stupid. The stupid was so mathematically incorrect. I got in before the trade triggered. I tried to save myself maybe 1 point. Didn't trigger. And what did it cost me? 30, probably 9 points.
Yeah, I hate when that happens.
Yeah. And if I wait for the trade to trigger, I can probably get the better price anyways. Just wait for it to, like, you know, fluctuate a little bit and come back. You know, most of the times I get a better price. I'm like looking for that type of entry. So I didn't save myself anything there. We learn the lessons every day, the same lessons.
The hard way.
Every day, different lessons.
I got to find a way to have this footprint chart bigger. I feel like, once again, the footprint told me exactly where to get in. I need better entries. I feel like the footprint called it, but I got it so small on my screen that it's hard to see. I need more screens. Where's my group at? Somewhere over here. I got another version of that chart. Minimize that one. Look at this one. See right here, pushed up, large order, large order, large order. If I had a drawing tool, one day I'll find out how to use their drawing tools properly. So trend line right there, break of it, same volume chart that I use on my other screen that everybody knows about. Break of the trend line, red candle, lots of selling delta, breaking the large orders. Find my drawing tool again. Great entry right there. 23,453. And that would have put it even better than what that would have seen right there. About as perfect as you can get. If I could just get better at entries. I like the 2-minute chart. I like the way I got it set up. I just got to get better at the entries. I like the way my regular volume chart calls the entries, but sometimes it still seems a bit late. Now we're getting large orders up. You in a trade? You quiet over there? You sleeping? You sleeping on the futures floor, or you mute yourself again?
Oh man, how is it? And all the good stuff is when I'm muted. All the good stuff. Okay, doesn't matter.
Is there not a program that you can get to put on your computer to mute?
Yeah, what they should have is a little fucking flashing button on the microphone so it catches your eye. That's what it should be. A little doot, 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 like on a plane, you know, on the wing, the way that white light flashes. That's what it should be.
I like it on the computer because I can just pop it up. It's on the screen. And then in order to unmute it, I got to unmute it and then minimize it. Yeah. It's always right there. So I get so aggravated when the streaming platform mutes me because I don't ever use that button. I got my own dedicated mute button.
Well, one more. One more. Push to, I don't even know what that line is. That's the previous day's close.
I know.
455, 456.
I'm like lowering one of my dials, and you're like, one more. I'm like, fine, I'll lower it one more.
456. Come on.
You don't even know what I'm changing. How are you going to tell me to lower it one more?
No, I want to lower one more. 456. Oops. What? I'm not making enough money on my trades. Something's not right. Okay. That's okay.
Still getting over this sickness. I think y'all made my son feel bad yesterday. He was up all night throwing up, then refused to stay home. He's like, no, I can't miss another day of school. I'm like, why?
And my son came back from Portugal yesterday. We had a nice evening, and then my other son went to California today.
Go hang out with Woodchip?
Yeah. I don't know. I don't know what they're going to do. They're going to two, I don't even know if it's basketball or football games, and I don't know. There was such a better vacation they could have planned for that kind of money. But anyways, kids will do what kids do, right?
That's right. And you can't say that because vacations are unique to the person.
Nah, he's not that happy about it. He thinks he went in too impulsively. His friends were saying the same thing too. We should have thought about it better.
Is that Siraj? Help me? Help you what?
Help him?
What do you need help with, buddy? Help me. Am I saying your name right? Siraj?
Siraj, are you from India? You trade gold?
The what? Mike, you translate for me?
Duhan Ya app. Help me, I'm drowning. No, I have no idea.
Where's my Google Translate?
Maybe it means help me. In Floridian.
Let's find out.
I keep thinking my son is here. I cough loud. I'm expecting him to say, hey, Dad, keep it quiet. Wow, look at everything. I mean, look how much overhead stuff we have. Previous day's close. VWAP. Right now, it's the most recent swing high. That blue line, which is the London session low. You know what? It's time to go. I'm going to go do a bathroom break. I'll be back quickly.
So I don't know if I got this right, Siraj, but I got what kind of leaves? I don't know.
Trades. Trades.
Says what kind of leaves?
Well, it means what kind of trades you're taking. Like, you know,
I got you. Right now, looking for shorts. If I get set up, I like. Well, we'll see if that gets invalidated here in a minute. Maybe we'll start looking for longs. What kind of trading you like, Siraj? What are you looking for? Tell me what you need help with. Help if I can. Lost some momentum pushing up. Like switch over to the long side. Maybe breaking VWAP. Pushed right through the Globex Open. It's a strong sign. Pushed right through VWAP.
Yep, I see that. Yeah, that's all I should do. Fuck.
What's
you.
up?
I should just turn on the mic replacement and just cover myself with it rather than turn the video off, you know, like I just did. So that way your cameras don't flip and flop.
I think if we would have took the initial open range retest, it would have worked great. But I think if we waited for it to come back, like you normally say, would have took a lot of drawdown there, I think.
Yeah.
Still would have been doable. I think both times were doable.
Siraj, we're not financial advisors, but, you know, there are some general rules of thumb that you should follow as a trader. My son learns how to trade, and I try to help point them in the right direction. You need a system. You need to define your edge. You know, you need to find something that has rules, because if you don't have rules, the market's just going to take money from you. So if you're a beginner, the first place you pretty much got to start off with is defining a system. That's obstacle number one. And then back testing it. You know, you can stick around here. You can watch our trades. We have some really good trade setups that perform very well. You can not copy the trades, but try and make them your own. Try to, you know, change them up a little bit so that they fit your personality. You back test them, you forward test them, you trade them on demo, you consult a financial advisor. You realize 90% of traders lose money, and that the results that we're showing are not typical and unlikely to continue into the future, you know. But you got to do the work and come up with
I don't know that 90% lose money. I'd say maybe 70.
Approximately.
Because you got a large portion of break-even traders too.
Yeah, well, we're not gonna split hairs there. You know, that's the number the industry uses. That's all. That's what goes in the disclaimer.
And the majority of those people don't have a strategy, so strategy is number one. You have to have a strategy.
Yep.
Regardless of what it is, it has to be a defined strategy.
So stick
Bama, good morning.
Stick around, watch, subscribe, check out the trades we take, see how we frame our trades, see how we, you know, position ourselves to not take a lot of risk right now well, doesn't matter on my chart because you're not on my stream, but right now on my chart, there is a long trade at 78, and I do know that there's a 73% chance that we're going to 85. So the fact that I can get in now at, almost could have gotten in at 74. Shit, initial balance. I'm trying to get in at 74. If I can go to 85, that's an 11-point target. 77, 78. Come on, push a little lower. Make
Bama, how's your morning going? Sounds Sounds like my throat. You getting sick over there?
Me? Nah, sometimes I just get that nonsense.
Yeah, the kid refused to take another day off of school. Like, no, I gotta go to school. Like, so you stay awake all night, vomiting, and that's the day you want to go to school. I was like, all right, let me give you some good advice. He's like, yeah, Dad, what? I don't trust a fart. He's like, all right, Dad, I'll keep that in mind. You got to give these kids good advice.
You do?
I feel like that's great advice. When you're sick like that, don't trust it. Nice push up.
Yeah, it was. I missed the trade. Unfortunately, I couldn't get in. I wanted to do a little bit of a quick short. I was trying, you know what? I got to set my my cell phone on a little bit of a tripod or something, so it's there automatically.
Yeah, I was thinking about something like that.
Because by the time I pick up my phone and click the button and make it more than 15 seconds and yada, 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 it's always gone.
I also want to find a way to get back into the live trading on the shorts again. You know, I'd have to do it through my phone.
Not sure I know what you mean.
Well, there's the live stream through the videos, and there's the live stream through the shorts.
Yeah, I remember now. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Yep.
Can't do it on the streaming software because I'd have to upgrade to a premium. I don't feel like doing it. Plus, I feel like people want to see it more through a phone. Look, I was watching a video yesterday, and this guy, all they do is like put rubber bands on watermelons.
Yeah, I do that. I do
5,000 people watching.
Wow.
How many rubber bands can you put on a watermelon? I'm like, is this for real? There's really 5,000 people watching this? And after a while, I was like, dang, I'm one of them.
All 5,000 of them are looking around saying, why is anybody watching this?
That's crazy. And then I'm like, well, is this channel really doing good? So I go to like the channel. They had like almost 800,000 subscribers. Putting rubber bands on watermelons.
Well, we're going to start putting rubber bands around our trades. Are we going to make a move higher?
I don't think I'm ever going to understand the streaming thing.
Are we going to make a run for the previous day's high and the London session highs?
Would like some buys.
Or is that the pre-market? No, that's the pre-market, not London. I'm doing pre-market.
Theoretically, I like to jump in here.
Yeah. Am I doing
London? I don't know that I like the 40-point stop that I need. Or 45-point stop.
Oh, I did the wrong thing. Should have been the
But I do think this is going to go up. I think we're going to push back to the 23,526. I think we're bullish. Would love to see a pullback on the volume chart. I said I was going to give an update on my copyright strike. Got new news on that. I went through what Google said to do, and one of the options was to message the person.
Yeah.
I think I said yesterday I messaged them. They messaged back, and they're like, some list of things they wanted done.
They wanted proof of life?
something. I don't know. I'm like literally all that's already been done because Google went against their policy, or YouTube went against their policy and made it a strike instead of a claim. When they made it a strike, they deleted everything.
What does that mean? They deleted everything? The video?
Yeah, the video, everything associated with it.
Oh, no kidding.
So even their policy says that you shouldn't receive a strike on a short video less than 60 seconds.
Mm.
So I think I figured out why they escalated it to a strike. I think the same persons put so many claims against people that Google feels they need to escalate it. I'll tell you why I believe that in a second. But
really?
I messaged them and they sent like this list of things they wanted, and literally everything was already done. Google did all of it. And so I messaged them back. I'm like, when Google escalated it from a claim to a strike, they did all that. They deleted everything. Everything's gone. There's nothing there. And then they wrote me back and they're like, okay, we'll rescind the claim. We just need to know what video it is. You have to send us the video.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm like, there's no video. There's nothing there. So they messaged me back again. They're like, well, how do we know which video to rescind the claim on? We've literally got a whole bunch of them. I'm like, yeah, okay. We're starting to see a pattern here.
Mm-hmm.
So I had to like comb through everything. And they're like trying to like coach me through how to find the video. And I guess the YouTube sent me an email. I didn't even know that. And I was able to get a URL for a video that wasn't there to give them.
Oh,
and they rescinded the strike, so no longer have a strike. Channel's back in good standing. Once again, hold strong to my convictions, and things worked out good and positive, just the way they should have.
Mm-hmm.
And then I seen where the same people posted a video talking about how they've been harassed and threatened and all kinds of stuff going on over people being mad about copyright strikes.
Well,
like, yeah, they've done this to a lot of people.
Yeah, some guys machine gunning them out. You would think they would look into him, not into all the other people.
Well, what they did was they created a song using the app Suno. Then they believe that they're an actual artist and they created this song. It's like, you didn't create anything. You used the AI app to create a song for you. Mm. In the app, they tell you that other people can use those prompts in songs also. Then the same person selected in the Suno app to let other people remix the song. So you're telling Suno you want other people to remix the song, and then going through YouTube and filing copyright claims on everybody that remixed the song. I mean, can we see the problem here?
Mm-hmm.
If I created a song and I didn't want other people to use it, I would simply click the button that says, don't let other people use it.
Yeah, I see the problem here.
But I wasn't going to argue with them because they wanted to resend it anyways. I think they're tired of getting hate mail from everybody, which, happy to say, I had nothing to do with. I didn't threaten anybody. But was literally like, what, a 20-second video anyways. Was already deleted. So there was nothing to even fight about. So everything's good again. No copyright strikes. In good standing with YouTube again. And I can go back about my life making videos with music again.
What a move. What a crazy move. I'm talking the whole day so far, not just this move up off the bottom of 410. The sweep up over the London session highs, right on the open, coming back down, bouncing off that 450 level. What was it? So many times. 465 level. A trillion times. Oh shit, we bounced off it again. I should have seen that once we crossed over it. Yeah. Talking about unrelated things. You know how the how I have that, how you get that limited? Remember you're saying that the thing is limited, what you did?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So
yeah, I've been having a lot of issues with that.
What it says,
it's not working.
What it says is everyone goes through a review.
Right.
So yours went through a review, and they, even if it's by computer or manual, there has to have been Boolean switches in the mind or in the computer. Let me look at this, yes or no. Let me look at this, yes or no. Can't they just tell you which ones flicked true and flagged you? You know, can't they just tell you that rather than telling you, click here to learn more and send you to a web page that's links to 20 other web pages on policies and procedures with vague language? There's no way you can find out. You know, it's like me telling you, it's like we said yesterday to your kid. You hit him and you tell him you broke a parental you broke a parental rule, and you throw him a book 500 pages long with parental rules. Wouldn't it just be easier to say that you, I don't know, left your milk in the living room and the cat knocked it over?
I don't want to make you mad. Will you just tell me what I did? And I'll do better.
So
just
stupid.
Tell me.
You don't have to be a genius to figure this out. You ran through my ad, which was the one that made, or two or three things that made you say this is no good. Tell the person. It would be so easy.
Yeah, YouTube, they don't want to tell you anything.
Well, they all have this policy. All these guys, they just send you this link here, learn our policies and guidelines. Yeah, right. They're vague. Even in a court of law, I can have a lawyer argue one point and he'll win, and then I can have another good lawyer argue the other side and he'll win. They're vague. They're open to interpretation.
It's funny you talk about court of law. I was telling my son about the copyright strike. He was mad. He's like, Dad, we're not going to put up with this, are we? What are we going to do? I'm like, son, you know we're going to fight. We're always going to fight. And I was telling him the process. I was like, first, we're going to ask them to rescind the copyright. And if they don't do it, we're going to directly challenge them in court and see if they want to pay tens of thousands of dollars to take me to court over a 20-second song.
Yeah. Got rejected off previous day's high again. If anybody took a look.
He's like, yeah, Dad, you don't threaten our channel. You're going to have to fight. Mm-hmm. That kid's always got my back.
Yeah. Let me see your channel again. Market open. Trade live with us. Monday to Friday. Market open. Live. You have a disclaimer off on that bottom part there on your scroll?
Nope.
Yeah. That's a big thing. I was talking with GPT. You absolutely need one. You won't be able to. Same thing with the promotions. You won't be able to unless you have a disclaimer. It's financial services.
No, I'm not going that route.
Well, yeah, but it has consequences.
Take me to court.
No,
anybody's willing to go out.
You're wrong. You're wrong. You're wrong. You're wrong. You're wrong. You're wrong. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about what your ability is to do on YouTube. Your reach, your how they're going to distribute your videos, that kind of stuff.
No, I mean, I see a lot of other people that don't have a disclaimer on screen. You're not required to. You can just have one in the description. It's perfectly fine, as far as my understanding. And I think I have a great one in the description.
Yeah, I do too, but
and of course, we say many times, do not follow trades. You have to trade your own plan, your own trades. We're here to talk about trades and trading strategies and trading theories and help each other point out spots in the market of interest and help each other out and build a community to strengthen each other as traders. I wouldn't expect anybody to take my trade, just like I don't take futures floors trades, just like he don't take mine, just like I would never take anybody else's. This is absolutely the wrong thing to do. If you're doing it, you're going the wrong path. If your trades are that bad that you can't find good trades, you can simply look at the 2-minute chart on stream, and it can help you determine direction and what trades to take. About as close as you can get to trade signals. Look, triangle, above the bands, background's blue, buy. Come down, you want to look for buying opportunities. Another triangle, above the bands, background's blue, you want to look for buy signals. Over here, red. If I go back to a previous day, or a previous day before that, of course, now it wants to be slow again.
Yeah, it's this funny thing. I actually clicked on your stream to watch, and both my phone and my computer are getting those little circles, those spinning circles.
Yeah.
I said, you gotta be kidding me.
So if you look at this chart from a few days ago, and just ask yourself, could you make money here? Here we have it boxed out. It's red. It's below the bands. It's going down. Could you have made money there? Over here, it's blue. It's above the bands. It's going up. Could you have made money? All you gotta do is buy. 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 Make money. Sell. Sell. Make money.
Yeah, I asked what the bands are.
Took it a little bit to get above the bands, but I finally got above. Buy triangle showing volume and strength. All you had to do was buy. And with a little bit of sideways action, you might have got messed up there. Don't know. Then once again, buys looking for longs. All you had to do was buy. Simple strategy, beginner friendly. Then if you want to go more advanced, you look down at the RSI. We'll get into that a different day or something. But beginner friendly strategy. Of course, you'd have to add your own flavor to it. You have to have define stop, define take profit.
I sent you a couple of messages.
Are they part of Ninja Trader? No. It's TradingView. Wish I'd get them on Ninja Trader.
What bands are they? Do they have a name? Trade at 13. Let's see if we can get a price at 11. 70% chance this is going to 20.
These bands off, and we just look at these bright colored ones. That's actually just EMA. Goes with the volume chart at the bottom to show volume and strength with the EMAs. What is that? 12 and 26 crossover.
The other ones, those colored ones, that's not the Ichimoku clouds or whatever they call them?
Nope. That's momentum bands. It's actually a momentum line. Mike, you probably heard me talk about the momentum line before. I actually turned them into bands.
You're right. Oh, it's a custom indicator. You had it coded with bind script.
Yep.
Okay.
So, use the high-low method to create bands. I think that adds a lot to it. So, we're actually seeing bind coming in here. Actually have kind of a morning star pattern right there coming down to the bands, morning star pattern pushing up. Would like to really find something on the footprint chart help along with those signals. And I really like using the volume chart to go with it. I actually just had a trade signal, but I was talking, missed it. It's fine. We're up at this top range anyways.
The long? I caught the long.
I missed it talking.
I milked it. Yep.
I've been at this top band many times, just like the bottom band we was at many times. Finally broke. Go to hourly. Started there, touched second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time. This will be the sixth attempt to break this area. Mike, you're going to short off of it, right?
No, I had a long.
I was just making a pun at you bought off of it earlier. Not this one, but the other one.
Yeah, no, I wasn't watching. I was watching my own chart. How much do people not watch? Yesterday, I put on a construction shirt, a yellow shirt with silver reflectors on it. No one said anything. That's how much no one watches the stream. They listen, they don't watch. Or they just thought that Mike's a real weirdo wearing a yellow construction shirt. Gotta work on patience. Gotta work on patience. I can take a trade in gold, but I don't think I can. I know that sounds weird. It's a contradiction, eh? I can take a trade in gold, but I don't think I can.
I just need better entry signals. I do listen more than I watch. Bama, we all do. I don't know of any stream I've ever been to where I just sit there and watch the stream. Not only do I listen to streams instead of watching them, I think I've always been a lurker. I'm one of those dang lurkers they talk about.
Yeah, me too.
I try to do better nowadays. Didn't understand.
That is so funny, eh? Once you become aware.
Yeah. I didn't understand how important it was. I think most people don't understand how important it is to simply like a simple comment. I guess when you start streaming and you have to look at that metric and you're like, well, we're not sending your video out because people didn't like. And it's like, really? I've actually always been one of those people that's like, why do they keep telling people to like the stream? Leave us alone. Now I know. Now I feel bad for my years and years of lurker behavior. Thank you, Ruin. You're awesome. Thank you.
You guys have my commitment, both of you. Way to go, Ruin.
Bama?
You're the man.
Bama,
It's appreciated. It's always appreciated.
Bama, you always show up and leave a like and a comment, and that's all we can ask for, man. It's definitely very, very much appreciated. And I don't ever want to be one of those people that's like constantly telling people to like and comment. But to a certain extent, YouTube kind of forces us to try to get people to at least like the stream. Ruin, you do, and we definitely appreciate it. And as always, if nobody, I think a lot of people, they just like, what do you type in? What do you say? I get that a lot going to other people's streams still. And you know what? On this stream, we don't even care, man. Just put whatever you want. Put a thumbs up. Put a period. Put a hello.
Talk about my wife.
If you want to comment, you don't want to talk back, like just put like a period or something. I don't know. Hello.
It
kind of seems weird. And hello. I got other people saying like hello. I don't know. So.
Yeah, hello's good. Hello. Good morning. Good morning, all.
Yeah.
Taking along here.
There's got to be like a better icebreaker and like a way for people that don't really want to chat, but they just want to, you know, at least give a like and a comment. And hey, I don't want to talk to you. I just want to comment, you know. Just put a period or when you like a something. We'll come up with something. Y'all tell us, you know. Put a period, put a thumbs up, put whatever, it don't matter. And as always, I mean, really just appreciate people showing up, you
know. And even more so when you're streaming alone. Because other than that, you're just kind of talking to yourself, and there's only so much market analysis you can do, especially when the markets are quiet. You know, once you've gone over the daily, the 4 hour, I guess you can start looking at gold and other markets. But it's like, really, I'm going to go over it again, or you go into teaching. You go into teaching, you know, you start explaining how people use VWAP, where you can find trades with the previous day's high or previous day's low. You know, you go into teaching mode.
Yeah, sometimes not a lot of people kind of gets lonely. It's nice to just see like a hello or something or a hi, wave. But I mean, it's always.
And if you guys want to laugh at us, go click on our videos and go watch our first stream. Click on video, it's live oldest, and watch our first streams. Those are always fun to watch. It's like watching old movies.
I got some homework this afternoon, deleting some streams.
Now that I told them to do it.
Like the yellow or small channel, y'all gonna blow up. We won't be able to talk. I think that's what's great. I like small channels. Like when I go watch other streamers, I'm looking for small channels. I'm not looking for these big, huge channels. You can't talk to them. You can't be part of the community. Everyone always says, oh, well, there's a whole bunch of streamers. How are you going to stick out? And it's like, well, we need more of the smaller channels. You know, nobody needs to have 5,000 people in their live stream. Ruin, is it just a comment? Does that help as well? Ruin, it comes down to really just the most basic things like a like and maybe a comment. And then it goes from there.
I think it's the comments. I think they want to see movement in the comment section. That's my opinion. They want to see people are engaging and, you know, not just sitting back, but interacting with the live stream.
YouTube says that if people are interacting, then they watch longer, which I would disagree with, but it's not my show, it's theirs. But a lot of people that trade have it in the background. They're not there commenting or other stuff. That's why it's hard for trading channels to take off from the start. But
again, I think it depends on how you speak on stream. And what I mean by that is, what topic are you talking about? You know, if I'm just streaming and I'm saying I'm long here, I'm short here, I got out, there's really not much to comment on that. But if you make it a conversation, that's a back and forth. Again, talking about VWAP and the controversy of it. Is it just another bullshit indicator? Do people actually use it? Is it only because it's a self-fulfilling prophecy because so many people watch it? You bring up the different points of view, and I think at that point, people will want to chime in and talk about what they think. Like, it was a very heated debate yesterday between you and Joker, because you guys had your opinions about certain things. No?
Yeah.
So that's what you got to do. You got to create heated debates on certain topics. Well, no, you don't got to create the heated debate. You just got to talk about certain topics, and people will come out and share their opinion about it.
I think everybody in trading is going to have their own opinions, and I think that's great. That's what makes trading a great thing.
And that's what you spend time discussing. Look, I can't believe I haven't been able to convince more people to use Renkos. I mean, the kind of success you can have trading Renko charts is insane. And the way you can easily frame a chart and don't have to worry about figuring out what the size is because the stop is farther away because your swing low is farther away this time. So you have to adjust your size. I don't know if you're pulling out a calculator, using your fingers or your toes, but it's just, it's so easy and, well, and it's so adjustable. If you don't like how often it's trading, you just increase the box size. And statistically, it's pretty much the same. No matter what, you know what you're going to get. You know how many times you're going to get a 3-bar run. You know how many times you're going to get a 2-bar run, a 1-bar run, a 6-bar run. As long as you don't set it crazy, and what I mean by crazy is like 40 times the average true range. If you don't set your box size that large, so that you only get a new box every month. As long as your boxes are changing quite actively during the day. I mean, I think it's God's gift to trading, seriously, but no one looks at it because it's different. It's not complicated enough. It's not sophisticated enough. You don't need 1,000 moving parts to put together a good trade. That's not the ingredients of a good trade.
Hey, Ruin, back to what you were saying. I think the most important things are to like the stream, maybe leave at least that first comment, even if it's a high or a period or whatever, because the way the YouTube metrics work, that basically if people show up and then they don't like the stream, it's basically telling YouTube that they don't like it. And so that's the best thing for the stream, is just simply liking the stream. The easiest thing that can be done. Smash the lake? What? Not the lake, the lake? What?
Text to speech, making mistakes.
Yeah, now you know what other people feel like when you always calling them out for their text mistakes. Mm-hmm.
I don't call people out for their text mistakes.
What?
Me?
What?
That's the other guy you were co-streaming with. You remember him?
I'll be trying to text you late at night and you're like, what is that? What is that?
I don't understand what you're saying. You're sending me one-word codes. I gotta hire someone from the CIA to decode what he's talking about.
It's not my fault you can't remember a direct question 30 seconds later.
We were talking about that last night at supper. It's crazy. It's really just nuts.
It's funny because you'll ask a question and it takes me like a little bit to type it, right? So I like type it, and you're like, what does that mean? What? I don't know what you're saying yes to.
Imagine if there's 300 people in the room and you're talking
I'm
to
like,
them.
is this guy for real, or is he like, is he joking, or what?
No. Can you believe yesterday I asked my daughter a question? She was getting water by the kitchen sink. I asked her a question. She answered the question. I said, what? She said, she repeated it. I said, what are you talking about? She said, Dad, you just asked me a question. I didn't even remember. I swear I must have early onset Alzheimer's or something.
That's funny.
I said, Meg, I'm sorry. I have no recollection of asking you any question whatsoever.
I got to run real quick. Give me a second. I'll be right back.
Let's get him talking. I'm not in the mood to talk. 11:15. Soon it's going to be Chat's Choice. She's coming across. I don't think it's making noise. Why not? Should be. Oh, I'm on the wrong. He's probably screaming like nuts on my stream. I'm on Omnius's stream. Sorry about that, guys. You see how it gets confused? Oh, he's talking like Sorry about that, guys. You see how it gets confused? He's talking like anonymous. He's got anonymous voice. Okay. At 11:15, I'll open up Bulenox and it'll be Chat's Choice. We'll go long at 11:15. Anybody want to pick? Bama, Ruan? If not, it's my turn to pick. Looking at what I'm seeing, I'm very unlikely I'm going long unless we kind of break below previous day's high, which we're having a hard time there. And that blue line is the London session high, which I'm surprised. Oh, no, it's not. It's the pre-market high. And I'm marking the pre-market high as 6 to 9:30. Because you know what? That is what all the stock traders look at when they come in. They're looking at what stocks did from 6 to 9:30, and maybe even 8 to 9:30 when they're deciding if a stock broke over the pre-market highs. So I asked GPT, what does the dog wag the tail or does the tail wag the dog? Because they were talking about that yesterday between the indicators. Not the indicators, the indexes, and the actual stock market. And of course, there's arbitrage. Nothing can get out of whack, too far away. If the futures price gets too far away from, look, the futures are the futures of an index, and the index can't get too far out of whack with the actual price of the stocks because the index number is actually a calculation based on the price of the stocks. So if that number gets too far away from what the actual price of the stocks is, let's say to the upside, you either sell the index and buy the stocks. Actually, that is, or buy the stock, sell the index. But you pull it together. That's a free profit because they equal each other. One is the other. It's like if I have two bicycles, one is worth $1 and the other one is worth $2. That's $3. Average price is $1. Is 3 times divided by 2 is $1.50. The index is $1.50. If the index goes to $2, all you got to do is sell the index at $2 twice. You get $4. Go buy and buy 2 bicycles at $3, and you made yourself a free dollar. So arbitrage brings them close together. So what wags? What wags? Does the dog wag the tail? Yeah, I'm talking about, do the stocks move the indexes, or do the indexes move the stocks? And GPT agreed with me. Basically, the stocks move the index. Sometimes the indexes will make an impulsive move.
But you can turn the other omnis off.
Oh yeah, and they're the dog wagging the tail, because arbitrage will start moving the stocks because of the move in futures. But in general, it's the stocks moving the index.
So I was talking a bit about this yesterday. I don't know if you caught the conversation.
I did.
But the majority of what moves the market is options. And the reason options move the market is because everybody's hedging their positions. I've seen some great videos on this subject, and I think it all kind of makes more sense when you think about it in that way.
I didn't agree with the point.
One of the points they made in the video was, when you buy a plane ticket, they say the plane ticket now for something that you're getting in the future. So they have to guess what the price of fuel is in the future when you use the plane ticket to adjust what price they charge you for the plane ticket. If fuel goes up, they're losing money. So what they do is they sell you the plane ticket for what they think it could be, and then they hedge against it with options on fuel. So if fuel goes up, they're keeping they're not losing money. They're not trying to gain money. They're trying to hedge those positions with options. And the air companies do that, airplane companies and car companies and everything else. They're all hedging positions with options. And that's the majority of the market. Mike said he didn't agree. I'd like to hear what you think.
I think one mistake you're making is that you're saying with options. As far as I know, unless the world change, all industrial hedging is done with in the futures market. When a gold producer knows that it's going to make 30,000 ounces or 100,000 or 200,000 is going to produce 200,000 ounces of gold this year, and gold just spiked from $1,500 to $3,000, and they want that $3,000. They don't want to take the risk and hope that they can sell it at $3,000 in a year from now when they actually produce. December.
Extremely loud. I haven't changed anything. Mike, did you change anything?
No, I fixed it. Okay. You were redlining. So the hedging is done in the futures market. They sell the gold in the futures market because futures actually has what do you call it? Not physical delivery.
Right.
Yeah.
So some hedging is done in the futures market, majority in the options market. What futures is.
Not industrial hedging. Not industrial hedging. Are you talking industrial hedging? Like a wheat producer, a gold producer?
Yeah, they all hedge with options.
Well, maybe. So I never heard of that.
What futures is a contract to buy something at a later date for the price you're paying now. So if we look at the NQ right now, it's $23,507, $6, but back and forth roughly, right? So I can buy that now and have it at a future date for this price. That's why it's called futures. So if you're buying, say, wheat, you want to buy it at today's price so that you know what the price is. You don't need it today.
But I'm talking about...
You need it 3 months in the future.
Yeah.
But you can't run your business guessing what the price is going to be 3 months in the future.
There you go.
So you want the security. They want that product now. They want the price now. And to secure that price, they buy it now and they hedge against it with options. So they're buying it with futures. They're hedging it with options to secure a stable price. But you can't run a business if you don't know what you're paying. If that makes sense. In actual
buy
futures,
if you actually need the commodity and you buy it in futures, you've locked in your commodity price. Now, if you're hedging with options, now what you're doing is you're actually having another cash outlay, because I assume you're saying they're going to buy options. I don't know if you're meaning they're going to buy puts or calls. They're probably going to buy puts.
they're hedging. They're not necessarily buying. They're not traders like we are.
If you're hedging, then you're buying puts, because you
not necessarily.
You want to get paid if the price falls.
Not necessarily. Not necessarily. No.
That would
I
be your
understand what you're
hedge.
saying. I agree.
You
and I
went
disagree
long.
at the same time.
You went
yes
long.
And no. Well, options don't necessarily work the same way. They're not a single direction like futures. You can do strangles. You can do butterfly. I'm not good at the options market, so I'm not the one to ask. But
I'm very good with options market. I know all the spreads. Yeah, you can do
you
spreads.
Go long,
definitely.
short, and sideways all at the same time.
But if you're going to use the word hedge, that means that they need to be making money if the market price moves in the opposite direction of their original position. That's the definition of a hedge. Protecting your original position, not making more money if it goes in the same direction.
The original position, but you don't want to take a loss. They're not traders like we are. They're not trying to make money from trading.
Well, they're not taking a loss
position
because they need the item. They need the physical commodity. So they're not taking a loss if the price continues to go lower and they bought because they need the item. All they did was lock in a price that they're comfortable with at the current market price. They can now run their business because they know the price of cost of goods sold.
Right. And they're not, buying and selling the way we are. They buy and hold. So the way we would buy, we would get out if we think the price is going to drop. They're not doing that. They buy, and if they think the price is going to drop, they hedge with options.
Skeletor, good morning. Anybody calling the trade? We got the 11:15 chat's choice. Anybody want to call it? I got them both running here. Don't forget, you're a standard moderator to help build a positive community. You can close. That's weird. I'm watching here. Bama said bye. I don't got it.
What's that?
I'm on you on live chat. Where's bye? Oh, Bama said bye. Okay, we're long. Shit, I forgot to set the perfect. TikTok. Hold on. Coin flip. We are long at 1675, 26.75.
I don't know if Mike answered your comment already or not. Can't find both your comment sections. Think comments go on after the live stream.
Oh, yeah, no comments. Yeah, it's after.
Once the stream is shut down, it turns the stream from a stream to a video. And I think the comments that go afterwards are sent to like a video comments.
There we go. 2675. 1675 we're long. 5 lot. 6 lot actually by accident. On account number 49. Bama, you're 2 points away from getting ticked in. 1 point. 1 point. Boy! Taken out. There we go. Ting-a-ling-a-ling. Close the extra one. We hit it. Bama, you got it. I meant long from the time I typed it. No, we got it. Yeah, look, it hit target. I had to get on the last piece there. Phone call from my daughter. Give me a sec.
Yeah, everyone, it's kind of weird the way they do comments for live streams. And then after the stream, it goes to like video comments. And it's hard for me to try to figure that stuff out also. Also, with me and Futures Floor, we're basically running 2 separate streams at the same time. And I know that can be kind of difficult for y'all, like back and forth and stuff, kind of tedious. But I do think it adds an element to the live stream to be able to stream together like that, like we do. I think as we go forward, we'll find more and more ways to make it easier.
I'm back.
And if anybody's trying to get over to Mike's stream,
I'm back.
type
I'm
that in
back.
the
I'm
chat.
back. I think I'm back. I am
Explain
back.
to them how to get to your stream from mine.
I have a link. No, doesn't the link come up automatically? I have it in Streambot. Or Nightbot or whatever it's called.
Yeah, but if somebody's trying to do it and those things seem to work sometimes and not work sometimes.
Yeah, hold on. Let me just make sure where the link is.
But I got it in Nightbot where people can type !FF in the chat and it'll bring up a link to your channel.
No way. How do you do that?
It's in Nightbot. Just set command. And make sure you change the command to everyone instead of moderator. We just found that error thanks to Ruin. So now that's fixed.
Is there still music? Is there still music and dancing girls in your stream, or I should remove that part?
I hope so.
Then we keep it. Okay, commands. So what are you talking about? I never did this command. Custom commands. New command. Tell me.
Mm-hmm.
Command name. I'm going to call it, let's call it Omnius. Okay, response. Join my Discord. Required user level. Everyone?
Yeah. Make sure you put everyone.
Cooldown, 5 seconds. Alias.
Yeah.
A command that Omnius is an alias of. When set,
Hey,
calling
you want
Omnius.
to copy
trigger.
mine? Just copy and change the names or whatever, or make it your own, or put it in GPT, or
Can I see yours? Hold on.
I just put it in your chat. That way you can copy it easier.
Hold on. Minimize. Move. Where's my chat?
You don't know where your chat's at?
Omnius live now. Ah, okay. So that I put inside response?
Message.
Docs, chat. Docs, chat.
For command,
Message.
you gotta figure out something. I don't know. !O or OT.
Come on. Control pop. No, I have name, response, required user level, cooldown, and alias of. There's nothing else. There's no message.
Are you in commands?
Yeah, go look at yours.
I'm on it right now.
You're on yours. And it's
On my
different
what?
than mine. On your commands thing.
It's right here. Hold on, let me switch over.
So first line, it says new command, right?
You're in
Name.
Nightbot, right?
Yeah. New command, name, Omnius. The next line is response.
Right there. Hold on, give it 3 seconds. Like that?
Hold on. Somehow your channel disappeared. I mean, not somehow. Obviously, I closed it, just like I always close things by accident. Give me a second. My computer's going to start to want to take its time now, of course. But do you see response on mine? In the meantime? Name, Omnius, response?
Man's new.
Man's newt?
Oh, you got new command. Let me bring up new command. So you have name, so you're naming the command.
Yeah, and then response. Doesn't say message. It says response.
Yeah. Sounds to me like another one of those things where they call it something different everywhere you go.
So yours says message?
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, the response is the message. The name is what you're putting in.
So paste it. Yeah. Okay. Oh, wait. I just type. Okay, so live now with, but not futures floor. That would be stupid of me.
So just put the name like !O, or if you need 3 letters, OT. Something simple. I would try O first. User level, everyone. Cooldown 5. Alias. I don't know. I don't have an alias on mine.
But my alias is showing that's where I put in the exclamation mark, not in the name. Anyways, we'll try name and then we'll try it the other one. So we'll make it exclamation mark O. Oh, okay. Exclamation mark O. Live now with Omnius Trades.
I remember you have to set the alias up somewhere. I don't remember how to do that. Above my pay level.
Can I write that they should go and yell at you?
Why you want to yell at me?
I don't know. Joined. Hey, what's up in the chat? Smash the like button. And maybe YouTube at It's Omnius Trades. Your handle?
Yeah.
There's no dash, there's no number, no nothing, no space.
What do you want, the link?
Yeah, the YouTube channel. Okay, Omnius Trades. Cool then. Come on. Okay, create. Command. Oh, now once you create it, command, message, user level. So command is !O. Or you want it !Oprah. Oh, no, you see it. There's
the link in your chat now.
Yeah,
copy the link.
There is a dash. Yeah, there's a dash.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. So official. Mm-hmm. So my dad used to say it to me.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Now what? Is there a save? No. Okay, go try it. Wait for me.
Did you save it?
Yeah, !O. Let's see what happens.
You didn't make it like a capital or anything like that, did you?
I did.
What?
I did, but it looks like it doesn't matter. Live now at Omnius Trades. ... That's an error. Show up, join, say what's up in the chat, smash the like button. We're trying to maybe, and click the link. And the link, 404 not found. Wrong page.
What do you mean? I copied it right from the freaking page.
Out. Omnius Trade. I left out the S. 2 errors. Let's go fix them.
See how difficult this stuff gets? You email, share channel right there. There you go. You want me to post the link again? You got the right one?
No, I can do it myself.
I'm gonna post it
I can do it myself because this is nowhere near as difficult as 2-factor authentication. Now, that's something you can't do on your own. That's something that people really struggle with. Updates. That I understand. Nobody should use that kind of complicated engineering. You know what it is? It's because the message was too long. That's why the S got cut out. I dropped a period. Go see what happens now. Now the S should show up. The message was too long. Yeah, you should never have the link right at the end. These trades. Okay, now it should work.
So there you go. If you're on Mike's channel, Features Floor, and you want to come over to mine, you just put in the chat.
Great. He's stealing my viewers. How many viewers do I have? I have 3 viewers. He's stealing my viewers already.
!O. And if you're in mine, you want to go to his, type the !FF.
Oh, it works both ways. Okay.
I was always talking about earlier kind of makes it difficult having 2 streams, 2 chats, everything to go back and forth. But we want to try to find ways to make it easier and easier.
Yep.
More fluent. And definitely think that having the 2 streams brings another element to the live streams. I think it's worth it. Keeps the streams interesting.
Oh my God. I gotta connect the I don't know what is an RJ45 cable, the network cable to my laptop. Holy shit, working on the Wi-Fi with TopStep X also open. It's so long to connect to everything.
And as always, if, like I said, if anybody has any ideals on ways to make things easier or improve the streams or improve going back and forth or whatever, let us know. We'll deeply value everybody's input and want to build a community of traders together.
Got streams here for you, not for us. Hey! Oh, no, sorry. False, hey. Thought I saw something. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3, 4.
You got some text over my video.
I'm still missing.
Not missing, you're right there.
No, I'm still missing a poker chip. I lost a poker chip. I had 10 poker chips to play with.
You didn't go play poker with Methodical Man last night?
No, I didn't know. He doesn't have a way to update you. I asked him because I like to play. I played in a couple of them.
Yeah, he was on stream last night telling everybody he was playing poker at like 9 o'clock or something.
Yeah, well, I guess if you're in his stream all the time, you know that he's going to play it, but I'm not in his stream now that I'm streaming, so yeah. I wanted a way to be notified, but he didn't know how to do that, so.
I don't know if maybe he sends out messages on Discord or something. I think that'd be a great way to do that. Bama, some days I hate the market. No way, man. What happened? Love the market. Some days I hate the way it treats me.
Can you lock a scene?
I don't know. Nope. Mine don't.
Well, my scene is permanently locked. I can't do anything.
Ruin, I think it's nice, but if you guys can, if you explain something to Mike, then your screen should share on both. Ruin, unfortunately, that's almost impossible to do. And would love to someday find a way to do that. But I would have no idea at this moment in time. I don't think Mike does either. The only thing we could do is pull in from the other person's stream, in which it would be delayed about 30 seconds and would be more hassle than what it would be worth, probably. Reverse right before your entry. Yeah, I hate that when you have the order already in, you're sitting there, you're waiting, you're like, oh, I'll get in right here. It's going to go. Then about 2 ticks before your order, it goes the other way.
Oh.
Yeah, Ruin, because 2 separate channels, me and Mike, we're not together. We're actually on opposite ends of the continent almost.
He's in the better
How many hours away
part.
you say, Mike?
By plane, 4.5. By car, 21, 22. If you're going to go by walk, I don't know, a couple of weeks.
Yeah, man, that's what gets me so much. And then I want to chase. And then I put a donkey on the channel. I said, every time I'm going to chase, I'm going to play the donkey. Now I'm scared to chase because then I have to play the donkey.
Yeah. No more chasing.
In case y'all haven't seen the donkey, I'll play it just so y'all can see it.
No more chasing.
Oh, that's Chase the donkey. I named him Chase. So don't be
I named him Chase.
don't be Chase the jackass, okay?
Chase the jackass.
Although we all have to fight that urge, and I know it all so well.
You know what? It's because when we see something moving, we think it's opportunity. But right, no, it's not. It's not.
Our eyes catch the movement, and it's like that just urge, just click the button.
Yeah.
And I'm bad about it. I'll be honest.
It's not opportunity. It's only opportunity if it's a setup. Other than that, it's a trade that you probably won't manage properly. And when I mean you, I mean me.
Yeah.
Serious.
Yep. That's I think that's the death of a lot of people. You see the trade, there it is. You want to get in, it ticks it and then it jumps up a few points. And now you try to get in and everything's off. Your risk to rewards
You
off.
try to get in and bam, you're in a bad trade.
Psychology's off, everything.
Yeah, it could ruin an account very quickly.
It could ruin an account very quickly.
Ruin an account.
I heard. I got it.
Okay.
I tried to laugh. Maybe it wasn't.
Did you get the Bama? You get the Bama, the entry, the Bama?
I got it.
All right. Oh, God, I have to explain my jokes. This is bad. Tonight, the conversation with my sons will either go like this: Dad, stop with the jokes. They stink. Or, Dad, how come he doesn't get any of your jokes? I'm not sure which one it's going to be. I'll let you know tomorrow.
Sometimes the bad jokes are the good one.
Yeah, well, usually it's Dad, your jokes stink. You got a 95% chance that's what it's going to be.
That's why we call them dad jokes.
Yeah, and I'm a dad. Not a granddad.
It's okay, they're supposed to be bad. What it is, you just have to add that weird laugh to it.
They can't all land.
You got to work on your weird laugh. Like, what is it? My wife watches one of those ladies on Facebook or TikTok or whatever.
You're talking the fake laugh.
Yeah, and she like tells a joke. The joke's not even funny. But the funny part is her laughing about it. It's like almost laughing to where you can't breathe at the same time. So you just gotta get that down, man. Every one of your jokes will be funny.
Yeah, at least to me. They seem funny in the brain when I'm saying them.
We're looking at this buy. What y'all think?
Yeah, I'm watching it at 34. If 34 triggers, I'll go long. Target's 41, 73%. Follow along. Don't trade, but follow along. Ah. Okay.
Sleeping?
It's me?
What, now you yawning?
No. I didn't yawn.
Yawning?
I think it was you. I don't know. I don't think I yawned. No, I just made a sound like, whoa.
Okay.
Okay, I'm out of coffee. My McDonald's extra large coffee is done.
Terrible.
It was delicious, but it was a decaf. Oh, there was something I wanted to do on screen, and I forgot what it was. What did I want to do on screen? Oh, I remember. Thank you.
Did our entry? Give it a try. Don't want to live forever, right?
Did it enter? Oh, shit. There you go. It went to 41 right away. I don't know if any of you guys caught that. You heard it here first. If we go to 34, we're going to 41 with a 73% probability. Don't blame me if you didn't take it. Don't blame me if you did.
Not my fault if you did. Not my fault if you did. Might work. It might not. Just saying. I like the jump, but then it kind of stalled. Push. Bama, did you get in? Did you get your order? I think you should have got a better price, right? Or no? Maybe you're looking for the reversal.
So when you type in that exclamation mark O, or when you create that command, it takes about 6 seconds to work. It's not instant.
It takes a few seconds. Well, I did like this trade. I don't like that it's not going. I'm a very impatient trader. I know it.
That's a good name for a channel.
Impatient trader.
Mm-hmm.
Do I gotta rename Omnius 2 to Impatient Trader?
Maybe.
Getting out. Whatever.
That's crazy. Look how many I'm doing. It's not working. But you know what? Once I stop, they're all going to work.
It did work.
I did like 100 of them. They're slowly appearing. There you go. Okay. Anyways, I guess, however, Nightbot. Oh, 11:45. Who's picking? Long or short? We got a minute. 11:45. Omnius, check your chat. If someone says long or short, I'm ready to go. My chat, long or short, first to speak up. If not, it's my turn to do it.
You got to be ready to buy as soon as they say it.
Well, yeah, long or short. I'm ready. I got my hand on the cursor. Down on the button, hand on the whatever, hand on the mouse. 22 more seconds for someone to take the plunge. Show us how good you are. We're bouncing off the overnight session highs, kind of getting below it. I would go. I'm not telling you what I would go. It's my secret. 3 more seconds. Anything?
Short. Press button.
That's pressed. That's what I was going to do also. I was going to go short.
No, you aren't. You're copying Bama's trade.
No. I said we were below your overnight session highs.
And he wanted to be in above the top.
Well, too bad. I pressed it when I pressed it. That's the best we can do. 52. I'm going to go in on account 52. For a 5 lot.
This candle turns green. I might fade you guys.
32.25. If I can get 37.25, I will go in for a 5 lot. 37.25 on my own account. 35, 36, 36.50. Shut up, Sparky. 37. Ooh, I missed it.
Hey, you don't tell Sparky to shut up.
I should have had it in. I would have been filled. Colin. Okay, so while we're watching here, hey, let's see again if I can try and get it filmed.
Did you go short?
What?
Delay?
Yeah, what do you mean did you go? Oh. Thought you mean me.
Delay on your stream. All right, it's better. I fixed it. I put you back in the now.
All right. Taking Tat's choice. Bama picked it short. I wasn't able to catch from the opening of the trade, unfortunately. But it looks like we're close. We're bouncing off there. That yellow dashed line that you see, right where price is right now, is previous day's high. So not surprised that we saw a bounce off there. I'm trying to get in myself actually on the chart below. I want to see if I can get in 5 points better. Because since it goes for 10 points, if I get in 5 points better, I'm only risking 5 points. And then I have a 15-point, then I have a 15-point return. So I make it a 3-to-1 trade that way. But let's keep an eye on this. This is what we do every day, actually. 11:15 and 11:45. Chat's choice. If someone in the chat tells us what direction to take, we take it in one of our evals. If nobody calls it out, then we alternate between me and Omnius. Today would have been my turn, but I didn't take it. I would have gone short anyways. We're both in the same direction. I like when it goes fast. Let's hear the cash register ring. Oh, I don't know if you guys are going to hear it. I'd have to put it on speaker. But then I'm going to have to jiggle my phone and you're going to miss it. Let's see. Let's see if I can get it. If the phone moves out of place, don't blame me. There we go. Nobody. In the meantime, really, we went against us. There,
I'm talking again.
I'm filled on the account on the bottom chart. But I gotta get out. That's a 5-point loss. Where's my mouse? See what I got, what I do for you guys. Hello. So 37. And I put in a bid at 40. So I'm only risking there. I lost 3 points. I could have made 15. That would have been a 5-to-1 trade. Anyways, we do this every day. Come check us out. Omnius Trades, Futures Floor live stream, 9:15 or earlier every day. That one was better. The one I did yesterday was garbage. I mean, this one might be garbage too when I listen to it.
It's all right. You got to start somewhere and get better, right?
Yeah, but now I know what to say. I know, I kind of, well, I don't know what to say, but you know what I mean. I'll get better at it. Okay, let's add sound. Sounds can only be added if to the videos that are 60 seconds or shorter. So there you go. Did you hear what I said?
Because of the shorts policy.
Yeah, no, I know. So I'm confirming it for you.
I know. I've read it. I've copied it. Yeah.
But now you're confirmed. Do you feel better?
No. I sent it to Google. I'm like, this ain't in, like, it's in your own policy. But I told you why I think they did it. I think because that person's filed so many claims that YouTube has escalated it.
Yeah. So
and
maybe
that's not claims against me. That's just they've filed so many claims against so many people. I mean, basically, I'm getting kind of the Karen vibe.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm a liberal Karen.
Maybe not all Karens are liberals. Just
not
saying.
All. Just saying, not all.
There are some conservative Karens out there, I can promise you.
Just saying, I'm kind of getting the Karen vibe. The whole, I have to struggle really hard to claim I'm a victim. Got to be the victim somehow. So let me do this. Let me make a fake song with AI and then tell everybody they can remix it and then cry when people do it. And you know what? If somebody's life is that pathetic, then you really got to feel sorry for them instead of even getting mad about it. I'm going to continue to live my life, and they have to wake up every day and live theirs.
Okay, now that I know how to do commands, I'm going to put a note in Nightbot that if you type in ! Oprah, it sends them right to your channel. And what else? No, didn't land either, that joke.
We pushing or not?
Did you even hear me? Is my mic on? Yeah, it is.
I can't hear you, muted.
Yeah, I'm not muted. I said you have to type in ! Oprah.
Still can't hear you. You have to unmute the mic.
Bug off. I see my little green lines. Now I should make it. The only reason why I'm not making it Oprah It's because
I'll
I'm
take
worried.
my-
I'm worried I'm gonna get sued. Yes,
No,
now
what the
I
hell?
now I would do it.
I was like, fine, I'll take my 2 points. Then it jumps 3 points right as I exit.
No, 10-second rule. I told
I'm
you,
an
listen
impatient
to me.
trader.
So where do I do it? Edit.
Nope.
Oh,
I like being an impatient trader. Give me what I want or go away.
wow, I love this commands thing. What else can we do with it?
Tell funny jokes with it.
Hmm.
I think we're getting into the time of day where it's kind of slowing down. Getting into
Yeah,
that chop zone.
I think we're gonna call it quits. I'm just fixing up something here, and I think I'm gonna call it quits. Exclamation mark O to go directly. Let people know, because if people don't know, to Omnius Trades live stream.
I think you can also like set up videos and stuff. So if people have questions.
Well,
Remember
that
trades used to do that.
yeah.
People
The
ask
reason
questions and say, well, watch this video, type this in the chat.
the reason why this making a message also exclamation mark O to go directly to Omnius Trades live stream, because if we're going to do let's say Wednesday just at your place, you know, I can play, let's maybe some kind of, remember those meme videos or whatever, or something, but at least it's going to have that, you know, if someone finds his way to my channel, he gets directions. He now gets told, you know, press exclamation mark O. Today's live stream is on Omnius Trades only. You know, something like you can use that rather, as opposed to someone going to my channel, not even seeing a live stream and saying what's going on. You know, so you can have like, you know, this is just a meme thing, but today's live stream, if you're interested in the live
Speaking
stream.
of that, Ruin, that's another thing that we were coming up with to maybe try out to make it easier, is maybe one day a week just do Mike's stream, and then one day a week just do my stream. And we haven't done that yet. We was going to do it this week, but it's kind of a short week and didn't really get much notification. Don't want everybody being lost saying, hey, where's everybody at? So we might try it for, I guess, be 2 days a week. One on futures floor and one on Omnius Trades. See how it goes. And then come up with other ideas from there. See if y'all like it or not. And y'all let us know if you like it. If it makes it easier, if it helps out. Or if you like it better this way. Once again, always open to suggestions on how to improve the streams. Mike, did you check out that day trader code like I asked you to?
No, I have no idea what you were asking me, so I was waiting because I didn't want to screw it up again.
So they have a code. How do I log in? There we go. I love it when it's all just saved and all you have to do is click yes.
You know what? Exclamation mark O is no good for me, because I always, when I see that, I say, is that the number 0 or is that the letter O?
That's
so
fine.
I'm gonna make it
Like,
the small O. If it's the small O,
you tell people. I mean, people's not gonna know unless you tell them. So you tell people and they know. They're not knowing because I see it in the chat.
no. But I'm just saying, you know, like when it's running on my channel, when we're in your channel, I'm not telling them because I'm not in my channel.
Something real quick, be right back.
Yeah.
Give me 2 seconds.
Come on. Am I missing any trades while I'm playing around with this stuff? I hope not. Okay, we're good. Let's close Nightbot. What's the range? 8.9 range, 8.9 average range of the 1 minute candles. That is pretty garbage, just to let you know. Yeah. I am not in the mood to trade in 8.9 range. What did I do? I don't know if anybody wants to see my results. They are nothing to write home about. Let me find out where the thing says account. There it is. Boom. Let me close this. So there you go. 2 Bulenox accounts, 2 master accounts, plus $8, plus $1. That's how it worked out. I was up, I was down. A couple evals, up 132, up 808. And down below, even though I was trade copying, minus 270, and there's another one that also lost minus 51 on a master account. So go figure. I'm trade copying, and one of my master accounts is down 50, and my other master accounts are scratch or up $8. Yeah, that's why I got to get out of here. I got to get into Project X. I think I screwed myself again, though, because I now have 3 master accounts and 4 pending accounts, and they won't move them up into a master account until I reach the threshold on the others. And I'm not sure if I change to Project X, if they can do it with those. I really do have my fingers crossed, because if not, now I'm stuck. I should have just done it. I should have just done it when I had the evals. Anyways, I didn't. C'est la vie. I hope I didn't screw myself. I'll let you guys know. That goes there. I got to close accounts. There we go. We're back up there. Is there anything else we're doing? No, we did the 2 things. The 2 chats choice. One won, I think. One lost. I don't remember already. I can't adjust.
Was you going to look at the day traders, or you want to do that off stream or something?
Yeah, off stream.
Yeah.
You want to rush out, or you want to hang out for a little bit, or
you and me?
What'd you say?
Yeah, no, I'm going
on the stream.
I'm closing down the stream.
Okay.
And if you got time, yeah, we got stuff to talk about. If you got to go, then
no, I don't have to go. I was gonna say hang out for a little bit longer on stream if you want. If you don't want to, then
flip a coin. Honestly, I'd rather get some work done.
Okay. We'll call it then.
Yep. Okay, guys. It's Thursday. I'm so eager.
He really was ready to go.
Sorry. I blew my load early there.
Load early.
Bam,
Yeah.
appreciate you for hanging out. Ruin, everybody, of course. Appreciate everybody hanging out. I always appreciate you guys. And see everybody tomorrow morning. Hope everybody has a great rest of their day. Mike?
That's it. I might stream today again, Friday Eve. 6:45, 7 o'clock. Maybe I'll come in. I'll do a live stream. I don't know. It's the last one for the week, so maybe I'll just take off and then start fresh on Sunday or Monday, whatever. I wanted to get back to it all this week, but family commitments didn't allow me to. But hopefully now I got my life back and I can start putting time and effort into the channel and getting some stuff done. So thanks for showing up. Appreciate it. That's it. We'll see you maybe tonight. Maybe tonight, but for sure tomorrow morning, 9:40, 9:15 or earlier. Sorry for the stuttering. Take care, guys. Bye.
Appreciate you guys. Later.
This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today.